Really nice question here. We've got a digital clock, and we want to know how many different times there are between 10 and 11 on the same morning where all 6 digits are different. So we've got the digits from 0 to 9. I'm just going to write them down. But the first thing to say is that because it's between 10 and 11, actually we've got to have 1 and 0 used here. That's just absolutely certain. So we can eliminate that. There's only one way that we can do that, in fact. Now we got to decide which one next to fill in. And actually, I'm going to go with the ones that are more restricted. So let's go with the minutes. The minutes can be 2, 3, 4, or 5. And that's it. We can't use 0 and 1. We can't use 6 or anything above. So there's going to be 4 different ways that we could put that in. So that I'm doing this one first. So let's say I put a 3 in, for example. Okay, so that one's gone. Now I'm actually not going to go with that one because there's more restrictions on the tens digit of the seconds. So let's do this one second. Because now, let's say I've chosen the 3, then I've actually only got 2, 4, or 5 to pick from. Again, I can't pick 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, or 0. So there's going to be 3 ways that I can pick that. So 4 times 3 so far. Let's say I fill it with a 5. Right, now I can actually do either one of these because they got no restriction really. They can be any of the remaining digits. So let's say I picked 3 and 5. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options left. Let's say I pick a 7. Then that one's out and I've got 5 options for the remaining one. And then let's say I pick a 9. So that will be a time when all the digits are different. And for the product rule of counting, we're going to times these together. So 4 times 3 times 5 times 6. Let's actually do 4 times 5 because that will give 20 times 3 times 6. That will give 18. Which is the same as doing 10 times 18, 180, and doubling it, giving us an answer 360. Great question.